Hello students. One student raised a question how to write a book review. So today we'll discuss how to write a book review. First of all, what is a book review? A book review is a descriptive and critical evaluative account of a book. Descriptive means you will describe what is in the book. Critical, you will be critical that what are the positive aspects, what are the negative aspects in that book. Evaluative, you will evaluate what are its features, which messages have been written here, and what are its prospects, and does it really deserve to be called a best selling book, or what is its impact on the society, or what is the development in that particular genre. It provides a summary of the content, assesses the value of the book, and recommends it or it does not recommend to other potential readers. You can recommend this book because of its good qualities. You cannot recommend it because of its demerits. A book report is an objective summary of the main ideas and arguments that the book's author has presented. Why do we write book reviews? First of all, we evaluate books. We want to summarize books. If a person is unable to read the full book, the person can read its summary through book reviews. To attract readers to read its full text, to publish in journals. Every journal publishes one or two book reviews in every journal. So you can write a book review and you should send it to publishers or to journals. Key insight. Insight mean what do you forecast? What is the hidden meaning of that textbook? Every textbook has one major idea and some sub themes or sub ideas, and it gives a very unique perception. So it is the duty of the book reviewer to find out that insight and perception. Now we'll discuss some strategies how to write a book review. First of all, introduce the book, write its name, and mention its genre. Is it a fiction, non-fiction, science fiction, or something else? Or is it about life coaching? Who is the author? And the time. Time is important. Has it been written in 21st century or 18th century? Award. Has that book won any award? Has it been written by some Nobel laureate? Sold. If a book has been sold in millions, that book is called a best-selling book. Outline its content or its chapters in your book review. Summarize plot. If it's a novel, there would be a plot. You can summarize the whole book. There would be certain developments, or you can write the synopsis summary. Highlight themes, events, and unique features of that book. Giving a detailed evaluation, which things you like and which things you dislike. There should be a critical overview, and the writer should be neutral and unbiased approach should be used. Key insights mean the main ideas, main understandings. I want to share two templates. Templates mean methods to write a book review. You can design such template on your copy, on your file, and start working and start filling these points. First of all, a book review by, here there would be your name, title of the book, then name of the author, and then my rating for the book. Do you think this is a 5-star book, 3-star book, or 2-star book? Then main characters of that book. If it's a novel, obviously there must be some characters. Plot. Plot means summary, story, synopsis, summary of chapters. So you will write here a summary. Your opinion. Your opinion here you will mention if you like it, why do you like it? If you dislike it, why do you dislike it? Recommend. Do you recommend it or do you not recommend it? So this is an easy way to write a book review. It depends on a teacher that if a teacher assigns you to write a book review uh, in 500 words or in 1000 words, it depends on the teacher as well as the level of the learners. If students are just intermediate level learners, obviously they will write in 3 to 400 words. If students belong to MA English level, they will write almost 700 to 1000 words. Another template of writing book review is also very interesting. Look here, it's different segments. Title of the book, who is the author, who is the publisher. If publisher is very prestigious, for example, Oxford University Press or Wiley or some other one, it means that book is very worthwhile. Storyline. Storyline means summary. Then you will mention word difficulty level. Is it too easy, medium level, or very hard? What I liked best. Here you will mention the qualities which you like most. Here you mention those things which you dislike. Or illustrations. Illustrations mean drawings. Are they very few or medium sized or there are so many? Are they boring or interesting? You will write your comments on pictures, on photography, on illustrations. Name of the reviewer, this is your part, your name. Your date started. It will also discuss that how many days have you spent to write that book review or date finished. Suppose a book has 500 pages and have you finished it in one day or have you spent 5 days to write this book review? Favorite character, you will mention that character's name. Picture of favorite character, if it is present, you should write here. And highly recommended, reasonable, or not recommended. This is also a very good template, and you can expand it, especially is storyline, summary part. You can expand it, and the rest of the things can be followed. I share with you a sample book review which is according to the level of master students. The book is Awaken the Giant Within. Its author is Tony Robbins. Awaken the Giant Within is all time of my favorite self-help book. This is a highly motivational, best-selling giant book written by Anthony Robbins. This is a sequel to another book of the same author, Unlimited Power. Anthony Robbins is a philanthropist, international best-selling author, motivational speaker, and personal coach to many international celebrities. He conducts workshops and seminars around the world. He has changed the lives of millions of people through his seminars, workshops, podcasts, and his best-selling books. I have read this book several times. Every time I read it, it inspires me. It motivates and changes my mindset. It helps me to focus on my goals and performance. It makes me deliver my commitments and promises. It gives me confidence. It makes me believe in myself. Every time it introduces energy and power to take action. I love to read this book again and again. I love to repeat this book. It has everything that I need. It helps every area of my life. It gives me emotional satisfaction. It makes me strong emotionally and spiritually. It helps to manage my finances. It makes me aware of the value of time. It gives tips and strategies to make the best use of my time. It takes me through how to build rapport, generates passion and juice in every relationship. It tells me how to connect with my spouse, siblings, children, clients, and all stakeholders of my life. It made me build long lasting relationships in every area of life. This giant book made me learn how to understand life values and rules. It made me keep my dreams alive and follow them. It gives everything about how to set goals and how to follow step by step your goals in life, whether they are your short term goals or long term goals in life. This is a book which has profound knowledge, ideas, strategies, tools, and methods to make your life better, happier, grander, healthier, and richer. Every word, every sentence has something to add value to your life. It makes you realize your potential, your strength, or your passion. It tells you everything about which is needed to have a mindset, prepare, and plan for the future. It tries to tell you the power of making decisions, the law of pain and pleasure, the power of the question to solve any problems or to take immediate control of your emotions. This is a book every person must read, whether the person is stuck somewhere in the life or successful in life. It makes you face any hurdle or challenge in every area of your life. It brings clarity about your strengths, your passion, your dream, and your goals in life. It gives strength and energy to face any obstacle and live your dream life. The biggest drawback of this book is too many examples, too big to read, and too much to digest and implement. This is not a book you to readjust once and throw it away. This is the book that must be treasured for life and passed on from generation to generation. Keep reading and enjoy reading. Thank you so much. If you have any question, please feel free to mention in the comments and I will reply to you. Thank you so much.